Did you know that you can embed your Calendly calendar right onto your WordPress website? So today I'm going to show you how to embed your calendar into a Divi themed WordPress website. So let's get started. First, log in to your Calendly account. So as you can see, I have logged into my account, and I'm also logged in here to my WordPress website, and I'm on the Pages tab. So let's get started. So let's first pop back over to Calendly. I would like to embed this 15-minute meeting with Oh She Did into my website. I'll show you in a moment. I currently just have a button and then people are taken to Calendly, but I want people to be able to book straight from the website. So to share this into your website, go to Share, and across the top here, click Add to Website, and then we're going to choose the inline embed. So click on there, Continue. This is the code. There are some other settings depending on the level of your membership with Calendly that you can add and change. I don't want a cookie banner, so I'm going to take that off. Click on here and then copy code. Jump over to WordPress and find the page that you wish to embed your calendar in. So on mine, I want to put it on my contact page. So I go to Edit with Divi, and this will take you to my website's contact page, and I'll show you what I mean by having a link there at the moment. So this is my contact page, and at the moment, if you come here and it says schedule a call, this button here has a URL link, so that will link to my Calendly calendar if people click on it. But I want to reduce one step for people so they don't have to click on there. I want them to be able to see my availability directly on my website. So what I'm going to do on here, I'll click here and I'm going to add another section or module. And you can scroll down to code, or you can search up the top here for code and see this text box or code box on the left. Click on there, right mouse click, paste, and that will embed the Calendly calendar straight onto your website. So let's click here and say OK. So you will not see it showing here. But if you scroll down here to these three dots and over to the right and click on save, that will actually save it. And when that's finished saving, we will also refresh the page. So it's still saving at the moment down the bottom. Thinking about it. Okay, and we'll refresh the page. Now, for some reason in Divi, it will not show you when you're in the editor module here. It will just show up as a blank screen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull over an incognito window, because I'm logged into my website. So this won't know that I'm logged into my website, ohshedid.com. And I will show you that page there. So let's open that up big, and we go to Contact. And as you scroll down, there is my calendar, and people can book and look at my availability directly from my website. So I also now, I can take this, yes please book my call, I can take that button out. So let's go back to editing the page with my helper here. Thank you, that's my pen. And come down to this one, and all I'm going to do is click delete, because I don't need that module anymore. So I will yet again save, and when we go back to the incognito window, which will pop over, so here we are again, we'll just log back on ohshedid.com, contact, scroll down, and you can see is my calendar, and you can see that that button has now gone, the one that people used to have to click on. So I hope that has helped. There are a couple other options which I'll just go back and show you as well. If you wish to, we'll just go back to Calendly, close that down. When you go share and add to website, there are a couple other options. So a pop-up widget means that it will float around and it sits down in the bottom right hand side, and it can say contact or chat to Oh She Did down the bottom, so you can put that code in as well. This one is a pop-up text code, so it's actually just a line of text that will be on your website. But at least now you've had a look of how to embed that on there. If you're interested in, and you don't have a Calendly account, and you'd like me to step through how to get one and how to set one up, just leave me a link below and I will do that one for you. And while you're there, if this has been helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. And if there's any other topics you'd like me to cover, please get in contact, leave a comment below, and I'm happy to cover them and help you out. Bye-bye.